Go on for that thing where I go on, is it? Place look full up. Thing good? A good look, man. Number 8. Alright, go on with the number 8. That's one dose. So 8 instead of, you know, you make sense to get 2 doses. Burger King food is good, right? The Burger King, you see me? I go on with the right. Right now we're out in that town, see me. Food review. Burger King don't feel like I can get there. So we get couple things, people. Then I couldn't wait to understand this. I want to see what I go on. I show you what I go on, right? All the things are going on the sandwich, see there? You know, because me alone can't eat off them things. So, chicken sandwich with lettuce and... Alright, in America, they have one place where... Yeah, man. 6 out of 10. Tell me in the comments, what kind of fries you like better? Which one is the best fries? But right now, Burger King, what the spots where you want to go? And from day one, the whole team, the whole good look team from day one. Share it, tell a friend them. You see me? Yeah, people, as you can see, we're in a Mandeville. Stop a Burger King. Food review there, right? So just go and follow that thing where I go on, is it? Boy, place look full up. So Jamaica place look paper. See it there? Fast food. Charge you want to go on? Thing good? A good look, man. Want to get one of the thing them on the menu here. Give me number 6 there. Yeah, and give me what you recommend? Different than the number 6.
Chicken or beef?
Chicken, man, because we don't have the beef on the number 6. So
I tell you number 8.
Number 8? Alright, go on with the number 8.
Flavor.
Flavor drink. Give me one, what kind of drink you have?
Coke, orange, Sprite, soda, orange juice.
Alright, give me the one orange juice, my boss.
One of them orange juice.
Yeah, man.
Which flavor of the other one?
No, man, one juice, man. You know, just one juice. So, yeah, instead of, you know, you make sense to get 2 juice, you see me? So just give me the sandwich and the fries for one and the regular meal for one. You know that?
2050.
Alright, people, you see it? Place clean. Active Mandeville over there. Yeah, it's a good look. Yeah, so I order some food right now, people. Burger King food is good, right? A good look TV. Stay tuned. Yeah, people, see it there. Just order some food again. The Burger King, you see me? I go on to the right. See the bill there. Jamaica price. Yeah, people, right now we're out in that town. See me, you know. I show you where I go on. Still in that town, see the Mandeville. I town that. You see me? So we're in our town. We just order some food. The rest of our part. Soon catch up and make you know where I go on. You see me? Yeah, it's a good look TV. You understand? And we're in our town. And we're doing it, people. You know what I mean? Food review. Burger King. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Mandeville town, people. See it there? Fully active. Yeah, people. Finally reach home. You understand? But see it there? Get the food. Food review. Burger King don't feel like you can get there. I get them the real food review tonight. Right? So we get a couple things, people. Got fries, medium fries, Me eat out some heights till I couldn't wait, you understand? Yeah, I don't want to vex with me. I couldn't wait at one part, so I eat some of my fries. And some in my bag. Then I go to boom and get one sandwich. I don't even know what kind of sandwich this. And we go to boom again and get to another one. Hold it for fries in my bag now, so I start. Now about the fries. Right now, you get me? We have ketchup, I like ketchup lovers. Ketchup. You see me? And I get one orange juice for drink. You understand? Because we don't want a soda. So, true, I can't remember what I go on, people. I want to see what I go on. I show you what I go on, right? So it's the first sandwich I get. Then I'll show you what I go on. Speed there. We have lettuce. We have all the things that go on the sandwich. See there? It don't look bad. Burger King in Jamaica, people. Then, yeah. That's the first sandwich. Second sandwich now. I'm just do this for Uno, you know. Because me alone can't eat half them things. So, what I eat today? A breakfast a morning. You know what I mean? Jamaica style. We not grow on the thing. Get one more sandwich. That one a little bit bigger. The chicken sandwich same. And it come with some whole heap of things on that. Look at that. Chicken sandwich with lettuce and cheese and some style. Then you need to try Burger King in Jamaica right now. You see me? Now here we have the chicken sandwich from Burger King. Yeah, alright. In America, they have one place where named Subway, where they have foot long. Foot long is about double the size of this, people. It's about twice the size of this. So this is about half a foot long. You see me? In a Burger King. Cheese. Like me showing everything there on it. Then I make you know what I go and fit. Chicken sandwich up. No joke. Up. Yeah, Burger King. 2 thumbs up for that one. So, the first sandwich, I give it an honest rating right now. First sandwich, I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Honestly. Yeah, man, it deserves that. You know what I mean? Maybe more, maybe less, depending on your taste bud. But based on what me I tell you, say, I give it an 8.5 out of 10. No joke. Second sandwich, I give it an 8.9 out of 10 for sure. No. See, then I take one more bite. 8.9 out of 10 for that one. The fries, it's not bad enough. But if I'm honest, I give the fries about a 6. Yeah, man. 6 out of 10. You me? Tell me in the comments what kind of fries you like better. Burger King fries McDonald's fries, Wendy's fries, or KFC fries, or any fries I don't know about. Comment which one is the best fries. But right now, Burger King, the sandwich them taste better to me than the fries. Right now. But I don't know fries are potato, people. So just regular potato. You understand? You can go on. Remember, subscribe, like, share the video them. Because we are doing this thing for honor. Zane, we're doing this for you guys. So, comment, make you know what the spots where you want to go. If you don't know one food spot, we can go check them out and give them a review. Link in the comments. Zane, share the video. Like the video. I don't hide nothing from one of the people. I'm here on a roll. I'm there with me from day one. I'm there with the channel from day one. The whole team, the whole good look team from day one. Big up my brother. I don't have to call him name, but when I see him on the channel more time. Big up yourself. Yeah. Him there one part and him can show us some different type of style. So that's what we're trying to do for you guys, alright? If you guys like what we're doing, tell you what I go on, man. If you don't like it, give us some guidance. You see me? I make you know what I go on. But for all who subscribe already, up. Share it, tell a friend them. You see me? Until next time, it's your boy Marsh Madness, and it's a Good Luck TV. Look on the shirt. A Good Luck TV, right? And we're out, just like that.
And it's a good look. It's a good look.